Now we are starting with illustration 8, page number 147 of admission of partner. In this sum, there is a two working note. So first we'll draw the working note and then we'll start with the answer. Adjustment number 7, that is the last adjustment. Capital of Adil and Samir to be adjusted taking Raju's capital as the base, and adjustment of capital is to be made through cash. So basically the new partner's capital is to be taken as a base, and then we'll find out the total capital of the firm with the help of new profit sharing ratio. So in this particular sum they have given us the old profit sharing ratio and the new profit sharing ratio of the new partner. So working note number 1, first we'll find out the new profit sharing ratio of old partners, and in working note number 2, by taking Raju's capital as the base, and we'll find out the total capital of the firm, and then from that total capital we'll distribute in new profit sharing ratio. So first I am drawing a working note 1, that is a new profit sharing ratio of old partners. Working note number 1, new profit sharing ratio of old partners. Step 1, we'll find out balance of 1. Now what is balance of 1? Is 1 minus new partners share. Over here Raju's profit sharing ratio is 1 upon 4. 1 minus 1 upon 4. This will give you 3 upon 4. So this is the balance of 1. Why need to find out the balance of 1? See, this is one circle. This is new partners profit sharing ratio. This is 1 by 4. The total is 1. Of that, 1 upon 4 will be shared by the Raju. So this balanced portion will be distributed between the old partners. The balanced portion is 3 upon 4. So this balanced portion will be distributed between old partners in their old ratio. So this is how we'll get a new profit sharing ratio of the old partners. The one part is being shared by the new partner, that is 1 upon 4. So balance portion will be distributed between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3 upon 4. This is what is balance of 1. So now step number 2. New partners, old partners share proportionate to their old ratio. New partners share proportionate to their old ratio. So Adil's share, which is equal to balance of 1, 3 upon 4 into Adil's old profit sharing ratio is 2 upon 3, which is 6 by 12, and Samir's share, balance of 1, 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 3. So 3 upon 12. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 6 upon 12 raised to 3 upon 12 raised to 1 upon 4. Now we'll make a denominator common by multiplying these 4 into 3 and 1 into 3. So 6 raised to 3 raised to 3. Now we can still reduce by commoning the factor 2. So the ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 1. So this is my new profit sharing ratio. 2 is to 1 is to 1. Now we got a new profit sharing ratio 2 is to 1 is to 1. Now we'll find out the capital of the firm by taking Raju's capital as base. That is my working note number 2. Capital of the firm by taking Raju's capital as base. Raju capital is 30,000 and ratio is 1 upon 4. So for 1/4 ratio, when Raju is bringing a capital of 30,000, so for entire firm the capital should be how much? So this we will write it down in a manner. 1 upon 4 is 30,000. So 1, that is the entire firm. Again I can explain you. For 1/4, see this 1/4 part is bringing a capital of 30,000. So with this entire portion, it will be a how much? So 1 upon 4, 30,000 into 1 upon 4. Now by reciprocal, this 30,000 will go up, which is equal to 1,20,000. So total capital of the firm is rupees 1,20,000. Now we will distribute this 1,20,000 into new profit sharing ratio, which is in working note number 1, 2 is to 1 is to 1. So for Adil's capital, (1,20,000) into 2 upon 4, which is equal to 60,000. Then the Sameer's capital, (1,20,000) into 1 upon 4, which is 30,000. And Raju capital is already 30,000, which is a total of 1,20,000. This is just for the explanation part. So working note number 1, we have find it out the new profit sharing ratio. Why we need new profit sharing ratio? To distribute the new capital of the firm. So first we have find it out the new profit sharing ratio in working note number 1, and in working note number 2 by taking Raju's capital as base. First we got the total capital of the firm, and this total capital of the firm we have distributed in the new profit sharing ratio. Again, why this required? Because in adjustment number 7 it has been mentioned that taking Raju's capital as the base, we need to find out the other two partners' capital. So before starting the sum, I have done with this both the working note. Now we start with the sum.